Break it down.
He was so strong.
What did you say to him?
He was so strong. I yelled at him to stop, but he wouldn't.
Brent,
But he
what
wouldn't
did
let
you
me help
say?
him. I yelled, stop fighting me!
What did we teach you to say?
Stop trying to save yourself.
I can't save you if you're trying to save yourself. Sounds like your paranoia is back again.
What's in the bag?
You don't want to know.
What's in the bag?
One more question, and I'm going to leave you here to fend for yourself. Now, you getting out of this car, or am I leaving you? Do you know what you're going to say?
No.
I'm going to say I'm Phil Angelino.
Oh, I'm going to say I'm Bob Connolly.
From the FBI.
Yeah, I'm from the FBI.
And then show your ID. Just make sure you hold it up.
I'm Bob Connolly from the FBI.
No, listen, you got to cover up the civilian part. Just don't let them see that.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Go ahead.
I'm Phil Angelino.
I'm Bob Connolly. We're from the FBI.
Yeah.
Hello? Come on! I gotta pee!